I'm on my way to see two of my paintings showcased at a delightful local art show. I chose to participate because it's in our neighborhood, and the gallery Fusebox Studio is a beautiful space created by the city and maintained by the Palleters Art Club. The studio offers ample wall space, creating a cozy and inviting art experience. I have two pieces on display here. One received an honorable mention, and the other one has already found a new home. The first piece is called Lemon Vignettas. It is a still life of lemons that symbolize the fleeting nature of life. It is an oil painting on canvas that I completed in just a day. The second piece is my painting of the perfect slice of pizza, which I aim to capture in all its delicious pizza glory, and I'm thrilled it has found a new owner. It's an oil painting on canvas, and it's one of my favorite paintings that I've ever done. Here's a little bit of the awards ceremony. It's nice to be recognized for my art.
Lemon Vignettas. And here is your award. And the judge isn't here, he's out of the country because he does watercolor workshops all over the world. But he left me some notes about what he thought of your painting. And he said you had a wonderful attention to light and shadow, folds and contours and values, and great placement of shapes.
Wow.
So a good composition.
Yeah.
Good presentation, Carlos.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us.
I enjoyed it.
Although my art mostly serves as my therapy rather than a source of financial gain, it's always gratifying when a piece sells. If you're ever in Colorado, I highly recommend visiting Fusebox Art Studio in Westminster. They frequently change their exhibitions, and it's conveniently located right across the street from Alamo Movie Theater. There you can enjoy a meal and a movie, and it's good for a night or a day out. Thanks for joining me on my art journey. If you want to see more art videos, please click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate your support.